Hey, Tyler Elstrom here, and I have ADHD. I ran a team that was number 86 in the world, and I've been a MAPS coach for 6 years. And I believe 100% the reason that I was able to do that is because of my ADHD brain. And we're going to talk about here how to hack that, how to work with your brain, not against it. The leading researcher on ADHD, Russell Barkley, talks about how our brains are just wired differently. They're not better or worse than someone who doesn't have ADHD. They're just different, and they light up to different stimulus than someone who doesn't have ADHD. And they go dark sometimes to certain things when people who don't have ADHD, it wouldn't go dark. And that's why some things can be more challenging for us. And there's things that can be easier for us. And the number one hack is understanding the things that light up the ADHD brain, according to research. And I'm going to tell you about that. And that is the acronym INCUP. Those are the 5 things that light up an ADHD brain. And INCUP stands for interesting, new, challenging, urgent, and passion. Interesting, new, challenging, urgent, and passion. These are the 5 things that typically light up an ADHD brain. And the key to this in your business is to get your life and your lead generation and your tasks in your world as much as you can into INCUP, because that's when things become easy. And we actually, what's interesting, ADHD a lot of times is known as this can't focus type thing. What's interesting is we actually have the ability to hyper focus. And people don't talk about that a lot. And that's the key right there. If you have ADHD or think you have it, have you ever had a time where it's 4 hours later and you forgot what time it is because you're doing something you're passionate about? You literally forgot what time it is. Your sunglasses on your head and it's 10 p.m. at night. You forgot to eat. You forgot to drink water, and you can just go, 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 go. That's what we're looking to lock into, because when you get your lead generation into that and you get your business into that, all of a sudden you have this amazing amount of energy, and we don't see the same type of procrastination or having trouble getting started or needing to get motivated. That can go away when you get into your joy zone. And that's the way to do it. Okay, it's working with your brain. Your brain is not broken, it's actually just a little bit different. And it's amazing when you can hack into that and use the gifts of that. We actually have a KW ADHD community. It's completely free. We have a Facebook group, and we do weekly masterminds on this, where if this is something you're struggling with, we have support, and we have all kinds of KW agents that are all collaborating and helping each other and sharing resources. Completely free. KW ADHD community on Facebook. And please understand that your brain is really, really amazing and has amazing gifts. And it's time to go share those with the world. And we're excited for you, and we're here to help you. So that is how to hack your ADHD brain. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and go help as many people as you can.